Hello, today I like to show something regarding the SIKA EC7 process multimeter. The process multimeter is an DMM in combination with a multifunction process calibrator. So that means this device, the EC7, can measure different signals and even generate different signals. The setup of the device is a large display, some operating buttons, and a rotary switch to select the desired function. And today I like to show how to generate a DC voltage signal. So that means this is the position where I have to rotate the switch through, and I activate by rotating the switch, the device, and you see I use these connection terminals. So that means the output of the voltage and the COM port, these two connection terminals are used, and I connect by side a voltmeter to indicate the generated voltage. On the display you see millivolt DC with two decimal places behind the decimal point, and also you see source on the display. That means it will generate a millivolt DC signal. And currently the generation function is switch off, and I can select for example 100 millivolt and change over here, and then switch on. So that means now it's on, and on the display you see the 100 millivolt. I switch off again, and then I change the range. So now from millivolt it changed over to volt DC, and I change over here to 20 volt, and I change over the position of the cursor to this position. So this allows me to generate up to 11 volt. And the position of the cursor, I go up here, and now I have 10 volt. That means the EC7 will generate a signal up to 10 volt. I switch on, and then on my voltmeter I see a voltage of 10. I can decrease, increase steps of 1 volt, or even select the position, and changing over the range is done by the range operating button. See millivolt, then automatically it switches off. I can select volt with 3 decimal places behind the decimal point, with 2 decimal places behind the decimal point in millivolt. So that means different engineering units and different positions of the decimal point can be selected. That's all regarding this function.